Something I want to review with you guys for when we're working with decimal numbers is place value and how to round numbers, okay? Because we're going to be asked a lot to round numbers. So first we're going to talk about place value, and if I have the number 123.4567, I need to know what each number is and which place value each number is in. So if we just quick review, and I wrote them all out, and I would encourage you to have this in your notes if you don't already. Okay, the 1 is in the hundreds place, the 2 is in the tens place, the 3 is in the ones place, the 4 is in the tenths place, the 5 is in the hundredths, the 6 is in the thousandths, and the 7 is in the 10,000ths. Okay, and we could go on, but we're not going to. This is about how far we'll get when we're rounding or talking about place value. Okay, so why do we need to know this? Well, we need to know this for rounding. Okay, so when we round numbers, let's say I wanted to round to the thousandths place, I'm going to have to know which number is in the thousandths place. So in this case, the thousandths place was the 6. Okay, well, when you round, you have to know two things. If the number is 5 or above, the number gets bumped up. Okay? If the number is 4 or below, it stays the same. Okay, so that's another thing that maybe you want to write in your notes just for a reminder if you don't have that already or don't know that. Okay, so if we want to round to the thousandths place, which is the 6 in this case, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, we need to look at the number behind it. The number behind it is the 7 in the 10,000ths place. And this 7 is going to tell the 6 whether or not it goes up or stays the same. So in this case, the 7 is 5 or above, so it's going to go up. Okay, so we're going to have 123.457. Okay, and since the 6 went up to the 7, this 7 just comes off and we don't write it. So our final answer would be 123.457. Let's try another one. Let's say we have the number 2.4653. Okay, and we want to round to the hundredths place. That's hundredth with a TH at the end. So that means we're going to round to this place. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. So the 6 is in the 10,000ths, is in the hundredths place. So we need to look at the number behind it, which is a 5. And the 5 tells the 6 if it's going to go up or stay the same. Since it's a 5, 5 or above goes up, so we're going to bump up the 6 to a 7 again, and these two numbers will come off. So our final answer would be 2.47.